Hello, everyone. So in case you were not here on January 5th or 6th, this is what we are going to do today. So we are going to welcome the class, do a propaganda gallery walk, then look at World War I technology. We have an exit ticket and a great day. So we're going to briefly go over what is propaganda, talk about it in class, because this is going to be a big thing with World War I. So we are just going to introduce 3 different types of propaganda: bandwagon, emotional transfer, and scapegoating. So as I introduce those, we'll have the definition here right on the side. And then in class, we are going to look at some advertisements, some commercials that were used that kind of show you or illustrate what bandwagon propaganda is. Then we're going to move on to emotional transfer. Again, the basic definition will be here, and then you can watch the video. The link should still work, and it is another YouTube video about emotional transfer, how it's used in advertising. And lastly, we're going to look at the third type, scapegoating. So again, the definition there and the commercial that kind of illustrates what scapegoating is. So how that will be used, we are going to do a gallery walk. So there will be images all around the classroom. I'm not going to post those on Google Classroom for the time being, so that people actually are getting up and moving around. So basically what you're going to try to do in this gallery walk is each number or each image will be numbered. You'll write the number. You describe what is happening in the image. You don't have to think too far into it, but just what can you observe is happening in the image. You have to define, of those 3 types of propaganda, what type of propaganda is it, and why does it fit that propaganda type. So in that time, you have to use your own reasoning. Why do you think it fits into this type of propaganda? So in class, you'll have 30 minutes to do that. I'll have this on the board so that you can see the 3 definitions when you are defining the types of propaganda. So we will briefly go over those. Then we are going to move on to technology. So the first thing you'll be doing is using your textbook. I will probably put a link to that textbook page right here. And using the textbook and your prior knowledge, you're going to write 3 new technologies on the Padlet. Here, I have it right here. Oh, no, that one we're just doing on Padlet. So just the beginning on there in class. We will talk about it. Then we are going to watch 2 videos about that, about new technology in World War II. So you can watch both of those. Then we're going to get on to the actual assignment. So you'll be assigned a document that will have 2. It'll have military airplanes, mustard gas, and then there's 2 others, tanks and machine guns, that you'll be able to read about. And on your worksheet, there are going to be questions that you have to answer about your technology. We will be talking about all of them. We have 25 minutes to do both of your technologies that are on your page. Then we are going to be talking about and reviewing those new technologies in class. Lastly, oh my gosh, is it still glitching? That's weird. Hopefully this comes out well. Then lastly, we are going to continue or start a map activity that's going to be ongoing for a little bit as a time filler. And then finally, you do have the exit ticket that you will be able to do. So that is what you will miss on January 5th and 6th.